Module 4, Lesson 5's objective is to form rectangles by tiling with unit squares to make arrays. Item 1. Use the centimeter side of a ruler to draw in the tiles, and then skip count to find the unknown side length or area. Write a multiplication sentence for each tiled rectangle. Item A. The area is 24 square centimeters. On the left, you can see it's already been labeled with 4 centimeters. If the vertical sides of this rectangle are 4 centimeters, what are the horizontal sides? You can see that this 4 centimeter has already been recorded as one of the factors in the multiplication problem. You could think to yourself, 4 times what is 24? Let's go ahead and look at the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 columns. That means they are 6 centimeters. So the missing factor is 6, because 4 times 6 equals 24, or 4 groups of 6 equals or is the same as 24. Now look at item B. The area again is 24 square centimeters. This time the vertical sides are 6 centimeters in length. We need to figure out what the horizontal sides are. As you can see, some of the lines need to be drawn in. The directions tell us to use the centimeter side of a ruler to draw in the tiles, and then skip count to find the unknown side length or area. So I've gone ahead and inserted a ruler here. Remember, we'll be using the centimeter side, not the inches side, to measure. I'm going to move this over. Looking at the bottom row of numbers on my ruler, I can see that this is 1 centimeter. The column measures 1 centimeter wide. I will make a mark for every centimeter in order to know where my lines will be drawn. Here's a mark at the 2 and a mark at the 3. Now I will go ahead and move my ruler and try to extend my lines. That wasn't very straight. Let's see if I can make this one better. Doing this digitally is not as easy as doing it with paper and ruler. How are you doing? Are you able to get your lines nice and straight? Okay, now I've put in another ruler. This way I'm able to line it up with my hash marks and draw my columns, hopefully with straight lines. All right, let's look and see what it looks like now. Well, my lines aren't perfectly straight, but you get the idea. I have followed the directions. I've used my centimeter side of the ruler to draw in the tiles. Now I have to skip count to find the unknown side length or area. I think I'll go ahead and just count by ones and then show you how the skip counting works. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so on the multiplication problem, I have 6, which I got from this number here, and then 4 for the number of columns that I drew. Now I need to go ahead and skip count in order to find out what the total area is. I'll change colors so you can see it. This is a group of 4, and 4 more is 8, and 4 more is 12, 4 more is 16, 4 more is 20, and 4 more is 24. So my answer to 6 times 4 is 24. Now let's look at item C. You can see that the area is shown for us, and that's 15 square centimeters. One of the factors is already shown, and that's 5 centimeters. So why don't we just go ahead and write the 5 right now? All right, now we need to go ahead and take our centimeter ruler and get ready to draw those hash marks in. All right, here's 1 for the 2, and the 3 is already on the other line. Now I'll just go ahead and move this ruler and extend these lines. Again, I'll try my best to make them straight. Using a wooden or plastic ruler is much easier than using a digital ruler because there's a nice firm edge on which to press my pencil against. Now I'll take this ruler and move it over here and draw my vertical line where my hash mark is. All right, again, my lines aren't perfect, but you have the idea. One side has a 5. That's because there are 5 rows. And now the other side needs to be the number of columns. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns, so I'll write a 3 here. Now we'll do the skip counting. 5, 10, 15. There are 5 cubes in each of the 3 columns. And the multiplication problem, 5 times 3 equals 15, which is the same number I got when I was skip counting. All right, now you know how to do this. Go ahead and do item D on your own.